everyone, this is Shraddha here from Creative Edges and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make the Christmas ornament, the home decor piece for the DIY Home Decor's Christmas special hub. So I'm going to take this beautiful paper bag from ITD collection and I have already cut it in the circle and I'm going to paste this dolly sheet over it with the help of craft glue. It's very easy to make and you can make it in no time, guys. So if you're liking this video, please do hit subscribe and like this video, and please do comment below and do check out other artists' video as well. So I'm going to take the stencils as well, and it's also from ITD, and I'm going to use my texture paste here and I'm going to scrape a little bit, and I'm going to use my Lindy's Magical here. So I'm going to just apply it a little bit more and I'm going to mix it well, and after that I'm going to apply on my piece. So I'm making here a Christmas ornament. As you can see, you can check out other videos as well. Other artists also made beautiful creations for home decor ideas on Christmas. So I already cut the sleeves. I die cut them from DMC dies, and I'm going to just apply my Lindy's powder and spray it with the water as well. So it's going to create this beautiful color combination, and after that I'm going to take this beautiful embellishments and chippies I have taken from ITD collection as well, and I'm going to again use my Lindy's. I'm going to turn them purple. So here we go, and I'm taking this die cut from Let's Get Crafting, and I already have few in pieces, and this one is from ITD collection again, and I'm going to hold this chippies over here. So I'm going to paste it in a minute. Let's just paste other die cuts as well. So I have pasted almost other die cuts as well, as you can see here, and I'm just going to paste my chippies over here, as you can see. And now I'm going to paste these beautiful socks, as you can see here, and that's how it's done, right? So let's decorate a little bit more. So I'm going to use my leaves over here, and after that I'm going to paste a few things more. So I'm going to use I'm going to use this ground texture paste from Expression Craft, and it's going to create my snow effect. So as you can see, it's going to create a lovely snow effect. So it's actually talking about the winters, and it's about the Christmas as well. So you can actually use this ornament on your Christmas tree. It's going to look fabulous. Okay, and after that let it dry, and I'm going to sprinkle some white paint over it, just like that, and I'm going to tie it up this way. And for the end I am going to paste one flower as well on the side of it, so it looks fantastic over here, as you can see. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.